Alright, we're gonna go to the Grand Canyons today. Right up there is like the desert right here. So yeah, enjoy the vlog. Some nice mountains around in the desert. Here we are at the Grand Canyon. We have arrived at one of the 7 wonders of the world, named the Grand Canyon. At the Hoover Dam, this is the whole monument you can see, and this is all the power plants and stuff. We got the fat sky, then we got this beautiful dam right next to us. Beautiful water, beautiful place. Next, we're going to Grand Canyons, the western. There's this monument here and this beautiful canyon mountains with the America flag in Arizona. Oh, Mustang. All right. There's a lot of people taking pictures of beautiful monuments here. So, yeah, we're gonna go off to Arizona, in the Grand Canyons. We're off the Hoover Dam. Bountiful list of deserts for sure. This is a big desert. Holy moly, that desert. Here we go. Here's the Grand Canyon. So beautiful. Oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. Look at all this stuff. So handsome. Wow. One of the 7 wonders of the world we're seeing, guys. So, woo! There's all the whole views, stuff, the ground and stuff, and yeah. So that's the whole view, guys. This is, oh my god! Look how terrible camera guy. Here we go. Here's an awful view of the Grand Canyon. Wow, look at that. And the thunder. And they got look how beautiful it is. Some teepee or something. I can see how protective this is from the dangerous rain. So, whoa, this is protective. Wow. We can come out and zoom out. Alright, so that's the end of the trip. It's raining, so that's off and out, guys. Peace out, guys. It's Sonic signing out. Or Sonic Boom 363. Peace.